Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Thank you for joining us. As you can hear in the background, I'm at Goodwood. It's the 80th members meeting. It's the first time I've ever been to one of these. I'm not going to talk too much and film myself because there's much more exciting things to look at other than my face. So enjoy a nice montage of amazing cars.
What fuel is this running on?
Normal.
This is what I've come down to see.
Oh yeah, It's now the start of a new week. I'm down at the repair shop, as you can see. Where is it? There it is. The sun is shining, thank goodness. It's going to be a good week, it's going to be a busy week, and I've got this week and next week left here at the barn, and then it's the end of Series 8 before I have a 2-week break, then I go into Series 9. So it's all go at the moment. It's very, very busy here. But there is some good news. For these last 2 weeks, Dan is here. Dan Cross used to work at the repair shop. He's a camera operator, or a PD, you'd call him. And he went off and did other things, but from day one, he has worked on the YouTube channel with me. It's kind of our YouTube channel. He edits every single video. He films as many as he can. And he does a fantastic job of making my rambled, frantic, hectic filming actually into quite beautiful videos. So Dan, thank you very much, and I'm very glad to have you back here. I can't wait to go on our little lunchtime adventures, go on a little walk at lunch, get an ice cream. It's my first time going to the members meeting at Goodwood, and it was a fantastic day. The main focus for me was the aero engine cars. I'm sure you all know that I'm desperate to build one of those. I've got the Porsche, which is going on slowly, and I'm kind of quietly on the lookout for Edwardian chassis and an aeroplane engine. Something like a Curtiss World War I aircraft engine that I can bolt into a chassis, build a body using the Ranelagh, and go racing at Goodwood. That's the dream, shall I say. I cannot afford it, but there was so much inspiration there. There were so many cool cars. Jack, I didn't get a chance to speak to Jack, but he was there in the yellow aero engined car. He was kind enough to let me have a ride up and take me up Prescott Hill. Here we go!
So this is the Romeo again. This is Tom Chinea having a ride.
my goodness, that was an adventure. It's actually Jack's fault, because running up that hill was such an experience. I was just like, I have to have one of these. I need to build one of these cars, because it was just such an epic experience. And that car mixed in amongst 10 others maybe, all racing, quite aggressively racing next to each other. Including the Beast of Turin, which is a very well-known aero-engined car. And I did actually get to meet the owner, Duncan. He was so nice and was very, very generous with his time, and he sat and talked to me for a long time about the do's and don'ts and the wheres and the hows and the who's and the what not to do, basically, of how to build my own aero-engined car like that, a race car. Again, Duncan, it's partly your fault. So one day it's going to happen. Anyone out there that's got a decent chassis or an aeroplane engine, get in touch. I've got to have a go in a Series 2 Land Rover.
This is Burdock.
Burdock.
Burdock is a 1962 Series 2A Land Rover that had a military service. So she's been in the army.
Amazing. An off-road experience. I was driving and I got to sort of like zoom around this little off-road course. Impressed at how capable those Land Rovers are. There's the original engine, the original running gear, all completely stock, and it really trundled through without any issues at all. It was brilliant.
That's it. So go your way a little bit. Now give it a little bit of power. Keep it going, 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 keep it going. Come off. And then just let it roll all the way down. No brakes, just let it roll. There's the logs. Go into the ruts.
Into the ruts.
What's the name of the Land Rover?
Oh, you're kidding me.
Into the ruts.
It begins with D.
It begins with a B. You'd put dandelions with it if you were making a drink.
Burdock.
Burdock. And when was Burdock made?
66 or 63?
No, 62.
Oh, you're kidding me. The 356. We've got to talk about the 356. Well, there were two of them. Both pre-A's, slightly earlier than mine, but absolutely stunning. What amazing cars. If ever I need any more inspiration again to get mine finished, or at least get on with mine, that was it. To see them racing around the track, and so fast. They were keeping up and overtaking a lot of the other cars they were racing. They did really well until one of them had a major oil leak and was leaving plumes of smoke behind him. All in all, it was a fantastic day. So thank you very much, Goodwood, for having me. I have got to get back to the barn now and get fixing things and get repairing. But I'll see you at lunchtime with Dan. We're going to go and get our coffee or our ice cream, depending on what the weather does. I'll catch you in a bit. What are you eating?
I'm eating a Rice Krispie Square.
It's good, I've just had one. It's good. Look who's back. Comeback tour. Hey?
2 weeks only.
How long have you been away?
About a year.
Has it been a year?
It's been a year.
You went over to film some wildlife, some other antiques. You haven't seen the footage yet, have you?
Is it good?
It was good.
Is it in focus?
No, probably not. I did try. I really did try. By now, you will have seen it. So that's quite weird, isn't it? They've already seen the footage before you have. They've just watched it. You haven't even seen it yet.
Let's hope it's good.
Let's hope it's good. It is good. It was a brilliant day. I had a fantastic day at Goodwood members meeting. I've never been to it before. Hi there. You okay? Hello. Nice to see you too. You know what, Dan? There was a lot of inspiration there with the aeroplane engine cars. The planning for the
Did you buy
future.
one?
Very nearly. I did try. Yeah. No, I want to build one. That's the plan in future. One day.
Okay.
We're going to build one. They're saying like and subscribe. Aren't they? Oh, stop. Like that. Look.
What do you want, Dom?
Oh no, ice cream.
You want ice cream?
The salted caramel.
Dom.
Nice bit of lunch.
Nice lunch, isn't it? Hey?
Lovely, lovely.
Hey?
I love a stew.
Yeah, that was nice actually. What are you
Very
doing this
tasty.
afternoon?
I am
Fixing
working
things.
on stuff I can't tell you, Dom. It's a secret.
Fine, fair
It's a big
enough.
secret, mate. See you in a bit.
Well done.